discussed about color coding. Color coding, right? What is the shortcut? BBY and written as very good wife. According to that, we give name. Based on that, we can decode the resistance of the resistance. Now, today's topic: current density. Current density. Small topic here. Current density already discussed, denoted by letter J. Letter J. So current density is defined as current by cross-sectional area. Current by cross-sectional area. Let us take one conductor. Here area should be, this is the direction of current. Current direction is area area should be perpendicular. Area should be perpendicular in current flow direction. And area vector is parallel to current flow. Parallel to current flow. Already we know that what current is scalar or vector? Scalar or tensor. It does not have a scalar. Why I am telling scalar or tensor? Yeah, it depends on only on magnitude. It follows direction also. It direction follow but it follow vector law of addition follow. Example. इधर करंट हो करता इधर करंट भाग 3 एंपियर let us take 3 एंपियर 2 एंपियर what is current total current here 5 एंपियर ಯಾವುದೇ ಯಾವ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ ಯಾರು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 5 एंपियर that's why current is a scalar so if you come to current density means current by area ಇದೇನಾದರೂ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ರೊಟೇಷನ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ರೊಟೇಷನ್ ರೊಟೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏರಿಯಾ ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು I by area of vector. Area of vector. Now let the surface is this way. Either surface is so according to definition area enta ನಾವು area should be perpendicular to the this surface perpendicular current direction flow agre direction flow agre so ಈಗ area vector ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ j cap is equal to what I by area vector ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ in the direction of current flow ಇದನ್ನ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವಾಗ ಥೀಟಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ ಕಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ cos theta a cos theta ಇದು vertical a sin theta so ಯಾವಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ cos theta so j cap is equal to what I by a cos theta I is equal to j cap a cos theta or else I is equal to j cap a cap
ये कैप का वेक्टर है
हाँ
जे कैप का वेक्टर है
j cap वेक्टर j वेक्टर
अरे कैप ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ओके j वेक्टर and that comes all caution all physical conditions like temperature, humidity, pressure remains constant, then the Ohm's law states that what is the Ohm's law statement? The potential difference between the two ends of the conductor is directly proportional to the current. The potential difference between the two ends of the conductor. Two ends of the conductor. Conductor is directly proportional to
current.
Current. That is delta V is equal to, let us take diagram. Here potential difference. Current is flowing in this direction. So delta V is directly proportional to I. Delta is directly proportional to I. So V is equal to Ri. V is equal to IR. Right. This is what scalar form. R is proportional constant. Scalar form. Where R is constant. Proportional constant resistance. Else we can also the slope of voltage and current. Slope is the slope में डेल को डेल बता देंगे. Slope. 10th standard ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿತಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ. ಇದೇನೆ V ಇದೇನೆ I. Slope ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು? Slope means tan theta. Tan theta definition ಏನು? Opposite by
Adjacent.
base or adjacent. Tan theta. What is the opposite here? V by I. Slope ಅಂದ್ರೆ R. R is equal to V by I. R is equal to V by I. This is in vector form. This is in scalar form. This is in scalar form. For this we want proof. V by I is equal to, what is that from this? V by I is equal to constant ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು. V by I is equal to constant. V by I is equal to constant.
R ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ.
ಅದು ಹೆಂಗಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Okay. Now last class this one considered again. Now we know I is equal to V
N square
N what's formula? V now VD drift velocity now right. Okay, I is equal to what is D? VD EV by ML E into NV, right? EV by ML. So tau relaxation time also. Tau relaxation time. Now I is equal to what is here? V is here voltage. E into
E square.
E square. First time N E square. What then? A tau by
ML.
ml. Right? ಇದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇದೆ v by i ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ
R.
r ಇದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಅದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಮಾಡಿ v
ಅಲ್ಲ
iml
is equal to V
n v square a tau v ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತರ್ತೀವಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತರ್ತೀವಿ ml by n e square a tau is equal to
V by I.
v by i. Now this one this by this is equal to constant you have to put. What is m here?
Number of electrons.
Number of mass of the electrons. M is mass of the electrons. Mass of the electrons. ನಾವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ನ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದೇನಿರುತ್ತ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್. Remains constant if temperature not changes. Remains constant if temperature constant. Temperature constant.
Temperature not change.
Not change. Temperature not change. Same E also. E andre electron. Electron constant.
Electron constant.
Constant. Then area also
Cross section area.
length also constant. Temperature increase agagandre length also constant. Constant. Temperature ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿರೋ remains constant. Area also remains constant. Area translation area remains constant. Then what left?
E N number of electrons.
Number of electrons also remains constant.
Time tau relation time.
Relaxation time also remains constant if temperature is not increased. Temperature increase ಅಂದ್ರೆ pollution start ಆಗಿ fluctuate ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So temperature constant ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದನ್ನ remain constant. So from this what are the terms is there here?
Yellow constant.
Yellow constant. So that's what we prove. V by I is equal to constant. ಇದರಿಂದ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನಮಗೆ V by I is equal to constant. V by I is equal to constant. Equal to I into R. V electric field, resistance rho I is J cap. In vector V is nothing but potential V. I is J. Resistivity is what? Rho. This is what vector form. This is what vector form. One more, rho is equal to 1 by sigma. Sigma is equal to 1 by rho. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು E is equal to J 1 by sigma. So J cap is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ J cap is equal to E cap into sigma or sigma into E cap. This is what vector form. This is what vector form. Here vector form.
ಅದು E ಅಂದ್ರೆ electric field.
Electric field potential. Potential vector ದಾಗ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. V ಅಂದ್ರೆ electric field. I ಅಂದ್ರೆ J cap. Resistance ಅಂದ್ರೆ rho resistive. Vector form. ಇದು resistivity means 1 by sigma. ಈ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಎರಡು ಫಾರ್ಮ್
ಎರಡು ಸಮಾನ.
This is what V, this is what I. According to Ohm's law, listen. According to Ohm's law, ಈ ತರ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಹೈ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಓಮ್ಸ್ ಲಾ ನಾಟ್ ಗೋಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್. ಹೈ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಓಮ್ಸ್ ಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಫಾರ್ ಹೈ ಕರೆಂಟ್ for high current in a conductor Ohm's law does not apply. Conductor Ohm's law does not apply. Resistance. Combinations of resistance. What is that? First one parallel. Second one series. Now parallel is end to end. End to end. This is battery here. R1, R2, R2. Now tell me what is the conditions here? Current remains constant. Ile na current andre is current ಇಲ್ಲ same. Current remains constant, no? Yes. Voltage remains constant, no? Here. Voltage remains constant. Current will distribute. Voltage remains constant. Here, current or voltage? Voltage remains constant. Voltage remains constant. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ ಡೆಕೋರೇಟಿವ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಅದೇ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಸೈಡ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ರಿಮೇನ್ಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್. I will wait. Current will wait. Varies. Then what is formula? I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. So from Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. I is equal to V by R. Here V remains constant. So you know it is V by R parallel directly RP is equal to V by R1 plus V by R2 plus V by R3. What constant here? 1 by R is equal to what we constant actually V constant. So 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. V cancel. R equivalent ಏನಂತ R parallel ಏನಂತ
1 by R3 is equal to
1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus
1 by R3.
1 by R3. Only two resistors is there. This what?
R1 and R2.
R1 into R2 divided by
R1 plus R2.
R1 plus
R2.
Right. This is.
इसको अरे आप लाते हैं.
Yes. R equivalent. The number of resistors same ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇದನ್ನು 10 ಐತೆ, ಇದನ್ನು 10 ಐತೆ, ಇದನ್ನು 10 ಐತೆ ಅಂತ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? R equivalent R by N. R by N. ಇವಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಈಗ 3 ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅದ. 3 ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದಾವ. 3 ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ R equivalent is equal to 10 by ಎಷ್ಟು ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದ? 3 by 3. ಅದೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ವರ್ಷ 20 ಇದೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. ಅವಾಗ 20 by 3. 4 ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ 20 by 4.